In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the alignment controls and how to make your paragraph edges line up neatly on both sides for a clean, professional look. Start by opening your project in Canva and clicking on the text you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see the text box outlines and handles around it. Once it's active, look toward the top of your screen for the toolbar. This is where all your core text options live. In that bar, find the alignment icon. It looks like a small stack of horizontal bars. That icon controls how your text sits inside the text box. When you click the alignment icon, you'll see options that look like lines stacked in different ways. Bars aligned to the left indicate left align, which keeps the left edge straight and lets the right side be ragged. Bars aligned in the middle mean center align, which is great for titles and short phrases because everything is centered down the middle. Bars aligned to the right are for right align, useful for specific layouts where you want the emphasis on the right edge. For full justification, look for the option where the horizontal bars are all the same length from left to right. That symbol represents justified text. Click it, and Canva will spread the words in each line so the text touches both the left and right sides of the text box. You'll usually notice the last line of a paragraph remains left aligned. That's normal in most design tools and helps readability. A quick note on results. Justified text works best when you have multiple lines of continuous text and enough words per line. If a line only has a few words, you may see wider gaps between words. That's just the software balancing the spacing. This style is often used for reports, magazines, and more formal layouts where a polished, block-like paragraph looks great. For short headings or single lines, left or center alignment can often feel more natural. If you don't immediately see the alignment icon, make sure the text is actively selected so the toolbar appears. On mobile, the alignment control sits in the editor bar and uses the same bar style icons, so the process is the same. That's all you need to justify text in Canva. Select your text, open the alignment options, and choose the icon with bars of equal length for full justification. Experiment with the different alignments to see what looks best for your design, and you'll quickly find a style that fits your content.